Hi, I'm Erika Krueger, and SOCMA would like to introduce our new Contract Manufacturing Outlook Report, your definitive guide to navigating the dynamic landscape of chemical contract manufacturing. This comprehensive report is poised to revolutionize your approach to your contract manufacturing strategy. Why are we embarking on the journey of creating the Contract Manufacturing Outlook Report? It's simple, to address the critical data gap in the industry. Through rigorous research and analysis, we've identified a void in the market, a lack of comprehensive, forward-looking data that truly guides decision-making. While annual reports and censuses offer historical data, they often fall short in preparing you for what lies ahead. That's where the Contract Manufacturing Outlook Report stands apart. An Outlook approach not only anticipates trends, but equips you to adapt and thrive in a rapidly evolving landscape. Our goal is to empower you with actionable insight that drives innovation, efficiency, and growth, and to provide data that will help you create a detailed roadmap for the future. Are you a decision maker, industry leader, or investor? Do you have specific responsibilities in strategy development, external procurement, CapEx planning, HR and recruitment, business development, or P&L responsibility at your company? This report is tailor-made for you. It provides invaluable insights and strategic foresight, helping you make informed choices in an ever-changing market. What can you expect to find within the Contract Manufacturing Outlook Report? Our team has meticulously curated data on business trends, growth projections, and investment opportunities into high-demand chemistries and technologies. Stay ahead of the curve with critical insights into the RFQ and proposal process, CapEx projections for 2024, business models and business outlooks, open capacities and hard-to-source chemistries and technologies, outsourcing hurdles, labor trends and outlooks, procurement strategy insights, and the thought process behind external manufacturing. Our Contract Manufacturing Outlook Report will keep you informed and prepared for 2024. Our 15-minute survey is designed with your convenience in mind, offering 2 distinct tracks to ensure that we capture insights from a wide spectrum of professionals. Track 1 is tailored for contract manufacturing and tolling professionals, or those who are involved in banking and investment, private equity, or M&A in this space. Track 2 is designed for those working in the external procurement, or those with responsibility of finding project partners to manufacture on their behalf. Your experience in this role is invaluable, and this track aims to capture your firsthand observations and challenges. Those who participate in banking and investment, private equity, and M&A in this field are also welcome to take this track of the survey. Participation is simple. Look out for an email from Volt Consulting, which will contain a link to our dedicated survey platform. Your input is confidential and will be anonymized in the final report. If you do not receive an email from Volt Consulting but are interested in participating, please reach out to myself, Erika Krueger, to obtain your survey participation link. The final report will be free to all SOCMA members and also free to anyone outside of membership who participates in the survey. SOCMA stands ready to provide you with critical data needed to help you plan for your 2024. For further questions or press and media inquiries, please see the contact information on your screen.